Do you want to make an app for investing in stocks and shares, like Robinhood? Or maybe you have a unique idea for a fintech app or an investment platform, then you have come to the right video. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of what entrepreneurs need to know before entering the dynamic world of stock trading app industry. A stock trading app allows users to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other securities directly from their smartphones. These apps make trading more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. Examples include Robinhood, eTrade, and Webull. Founded in April 2013 by Baiju Bhatt and Vladimir Tenev, Robinhood has transformed the US brokerage industry by introducing a commission-free trading platform. In 2021, Robinhood reached a significant milestone when it launched its IPO and reached a nearly $60 billion valuation. Over the years, Robinhood's user base has grown exponentially, from 0.5 million users in 2015 to over 23 million by 2023. This remarkable growth story shows Robinhood's impact on making financial markets more accessible to a wider audience in the United States. If you wish to create a stock trading app like Robinhood, you must understand the regulatory compliance involved. The financial sector is highly regulated worldwide. Your app must comply with financial regulations, such as KYC and AML policies. We will help you partner with legal experts to ensure your app meets all legal standards in the regions where you plan to operate. For example, if operating in the United States, the app must follow U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Financial Industry Regulatory Authority compliance. If your app is operating in the European Union, it must comply with the General Data Protection Regulation. To create a successful stock trading and investment platform like Robinhood, eTrade, or Webull, you need a technical partner like Brew Labs. Our highly skilled team of developers and designers leverages cutting-edge technologies and advanced AI to deliver an exceptional app with engaging user experiences. We will create a robust admin panel tailored to your stock trading and investment needs, empowering you to efficiently manage and oversee various aspects of your stock market app. Our user-friendly customer app guarantees a smooth and uninterrupted experience to both traders and investors, enabling easy access to trading and investment services. With our advanced technology suite, you can expect top-notch performance that sets your stock trading app apart from the competition. We will develop your stock trading and investment app and provide you with full ownership of the complete source code and intellectual property rights. If you are interested in creating your own stock trading and investment app and entering the lucrative world of stock trading and investment, click the link in the video description to schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will answer any questions you may have and provide a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.